East West is an engineering manufacturing firm located right here in Ronkonkoma, New York. We are celebrating 5 decades of maintaining work manufacturing right here on Long Island.
East West Industries was formed by Mary and Dom Spinoza, our parents, back in 1968. We started in a small office in Belmore, New York. Dom was the technical side, he was the engineer, Mary was the financial side, and they started out developing small connectors for anti-G and ventilation, and continued along developing other products and growing the company into survival kits and oxygen systems, seating systems, and ground support equipment.
East West has been successful because of the diversification with not only the products that we offer to the end user, being the DoD, but also to the customers that we supply to. So the end user is the DoD, but we supply all products to all the major primes: Boeing, Bell, Northrop Grumman, Sikorsky, Lockheed.
We have a workforce here that is very conscientious, very dedicated.
We had a very core group of employees that worked here. A very integral part of what made our product so important to the customer. Our product ends up in the hands of those men and women that are out there fighting for our freedom, our lives, what our job is to bring them home safely.
We have a great team, an enthusiastic team, and I thank them for that. East West plans to be here for many years, and we look forward to celebrating many more anniversaries.
Hello, and welcome to Manufacturing Day. My name is Teresa Ferraro, president of East West Industries. East West is a woman-owned small business located right here on Long Island, where we design and manufacture products to protect the brave men and women of our armed forces. Manufacturing Day is an event to share what we do as manufacturing companies and introduce you to local opportunities for careers in the manufacturing industry. You will discover that manufacturing encompasses many different career paths and skill levels, and see firsthand that manufacturing on Long Island is thriving. East West is committed to working closely with local schools and colleges to provide those jobs and career paths for those individuals interested in manufacturing. Today, some of our employees will share their experiences working in a manufacturing environment and growing their careers. We hope this inspires you to enter the manufacturing industry on Long Island.
I'm Mike Vetter, Senior Director of Product Development at East West Industries. I think it's a great way to show young people who are on Long Island who are looking for jobs in manufacturing, what does manufacturing look like? A lot of times people have this vision of manufacturing as dirty, noisy shops that are not very pleasant to be in. East West is a beautiful facility. People always say you can eat off the floor here. People are shocked at how clean it is here, how quiet, how comfortable it is in this environment. It's very rewarding to have them come in and say, I never thought I'd want to work in a manufacturing facility, but I actually really enjoyed this. So it's been an excellent program. I've hired 4 people that have come through our internship program over the years, which is obviously a pretty good take rate. My team continues to grow, and we grow with good people, which is always exciting.
My name is Blaise Rodriguez. I'm a mechanical assembler for East West Industries. I was part of the mechanical business for 10 years. What drive me to become a member of East West Industries was I wanted to challenge myself. I found out the position at East and West through my employee friend. He was working here for a couple of years now, and he told me what they do. They support the military. That's what pretty much caught my attention, was to be a part of that. Doing cars for 10 years, I realized I wanted to challenge myself to up the ante of my mechanical experience and learning air crew member safety and actually being a part of the military format is something very special, and having a father that's also in the military was also special to me. So that right there was something that I had to easily jump on, and also getting the referral of my fellow friend that helped me get me through here, that was something that I couldn't pass that up, and it was something special to me. So other than that, I think this is what people should know, and especially kids that are coming out of high school. I really do believe that they need to know that this is here and this is something that's special, And especially, like I said, if they love the military or they want to be a part of the military, this is something that's right up in their alley. And I think this is something special. And the best thing about this, but through East and West, is it's family. You can't beat that in East-West Industries. You can't beat that anywhere else. And that's something special. And I think that's something special that I love about East-West Industries.
Hi, my name is Chloe. I started as a summer manufacturing intern, but was hired full-time at East-West Industries. Well, I became aware of the summer internship opportunity by some guidance counselors from my school. They called my mom and I and told us a little bit about what you guys do here, what the company does, and it sounded interesting, so I took the opportunity. If it wasn't for the partnership that my school had with East West, I would not have even known there was anything like this on Long Island. I didn't have any plans for college or anything really. I think I was probably just going to take a year off to figure that out. My school partnering with East West was something eye-opening, I guess you could say. I don't think people really know that there's this kind of stuff on Long Island. Suffolk Community College manufacturing course was definitely something that was beneficial to my future, especially here. There's definitely like background knowledge on things that people should know about. I definitely see a future here at East West. Between the family-like community and the enjoyable work that we do here, it's very involved, and it's definitely some place I can see myself for some time.
Hi, my name is Kempfin. My title is Mechanical Inspector, and I work for inspection at East West Industries. I always like a challenge, and that's the thing about manufacturing. They're always offering new challenges. They were like, you know what? We're going to start teaching you mechanical inspection. We're going to make you an inspector. I was like, excellent. They'd love to, you know, so they started training me. It was a great opportunity. So it was just a really excellent, you know, experience I had. I'm here only a few months now, and I've seen the company growing before me. And with growth, there's always room for opportunity. And I mean, I went from just as the inspector, and now they're training me to be a CMM operator. So obviously, I see room for growth.
My name is James Carney. I'm a mechanical assembler at the Oxygen Lab in East West Industries. What drew me to apply was a position for mechanical assembler, and then when I found out more about the company that is veteran friendly and the work they do, I fell in love right away. East West is definitely a great fit with my veteran status. Just a cohesive team and a common goal and the can-do spirit definitely helps me feel right at home. As a former U.S. Navy Seabee, I feel a huge sense of accomplishment and pride doing the work we do and providing the safety equipment for the brothers and sisters in the armed forces. I can see myself working at East West for a long time. I've only seen positive things. The leadership is great. They're definitely making sure you're getting the proper training and that you know what you're doing. It's nothing but good in this company.